Welcome to the Art of Living Mall, a one-of-a-kind lifestyle destination, right in the heart of Dubai. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by an atmosphere that blends modern elegance with soulful design. This isn't your typical shopping mall. It's a curated experience where every corner reflects luxury, wellness, and inspiration. From bespoke furniture showrooms to handcrafted decor pieces, this is where design enthusiasts and interior lovers find their haven. Whether you're outfitting a new home, upgrading your space, or simply soaking in the beauty of world-class craftsmanship, there's something here for every aesthetic. But it doesn't stop at interiors. The Art of Living Mall also features boutique cafes and artisanal food spots, where you can grab a coffee or enjoy a meal surrounded by stunning ambience. And if you're looking for expert advice, many stores here offer personalized consultations, helping you bring your vision to life, one detail at a time. It's not just a mall, it's an experience. A place where creativity meets comfort, and shopping turns into a journey of discovery. So, whether you're a homeowner, designer, or just exploring, the Art of Living Mall is worth every moment. For more information, my contact details are in the description below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more community and lifestyle tours across Dubai.